Hey guys, David Rishka here, doing another sunset hike here in beautiful Arizona. And I want to say thank you for watching my videos. I hope you are getting some value out of the videos. And I want to be a little bit transparent today with you. I'm one of the guys who is creating his freedom and his lifestyle by promoting other people's products or courses on the internet called affiliate marketing. And I'm not gonna claim here that I'm making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. You know, I'm kind of in the beginning stages and creating progress. I started about 6 months ago, and I finally got the wheels moving a few months ago, figuring things out. And I'm at the stage right now to scale up and make a little more and more money each and every month until I get to the level where I'm satisfied and have a little more space to move around. But I'm also at the stage where I would like to teach and help other people achieve and teach them whatever I learned, you know, what works for me and other people, because a lot of people who start their online business they give up really soon because it's not really all that easy. You know, you gotta learn a lot of things, and the best way to do it is to have a coach and learn from them, learn from people who are already working in the trenches and have a lot of experiences and successes under their belt. That will save you a lot of money and time, you know, and it's like a shortcut. Some people are trying to figure everything out by themselves, and they ended up spending a lot of money and time, wasting a lot of time, and you know, eventually give up, saying that it doesn't work. Well, it does work, because it works for me and it works for hundreds, if not of thousands of people around the world who are making money online. And there is so many different ways to make money online. So all you have to do is find what works for you, and I'm gonna leave a link or button below this video to see what our company has to offer and what we are doing. It's pretty straightforward, but like with anything else in life, you gotta put some time and effort into it. You know, it's not gonna fall into your lap and make you a millionaire overnight. If you ever hear something like that, just run the other way, because that's bullshit. You know, you gotta keep learning and growing as a person and putting some time and effort into it, and you will see results. You just have to learn what works, and you will see success. But one thing I don't understand is there is so many people who are not happy with their current life situation, and they search online, you know, they're looking for information how to improve their lifestyle and how to start making money online or start up a business. But you know, once they find something, they even buy the membership or the programs, and they never do anything with it. They don't even open up the first page, the first steps. You know, it blows my mind. Why would you buy something and then don't do anything with it, and you know, kind of forget about it and cancel the membership? It's like going to a grocery store, buying a bunch of groceries and throw them in the garbage. You know, don't even look at them, don't even taste them or try them. It just doesn't make any sense. So I don't know, I don't understand people like that who are, they know they are unhappy, they want to do something better, you know, but they don't, you know, they don't do anything. I don't know if they are lazy or they just think miracles are gonna happen without putting any work into it. So anyways, just wanted to say hi to everybody. I hope you are having a great week, and that you are doing good. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me or send me a message over here below this video. And I hope to see you on the other side, my friend, and I wish you all the best to success and freedom. Aloha.